In this video, we will be going through the registration process. CoinZoom takes every measure to be fully compliant with international KYC and AML regulations. In order to keep your information and wallet secure, all CoinZoom accounts must be verified. This will ensure that your crypto and your account information are safe. We ask that you provide a clear photo of your passport, driver's license, or government identification. If you select the driver's license option, you will need to upload a photo of the front side and the back side. If you choose government ID, you will have to upload a picture of the front and back of that as well. Following that, we require a selfie of you holding your identification. Please make sure that your images you upload are well lit and high resolution. A common issue with registration rejection is low quality images or even lack of documentation. For example, uploading the passport but failure to upload the selfie. The clearer your registration photos are, the quicker we can approve your account. After uploading your images, you will need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and then agree to all of the terms and conditions to proceed. For security, you will need to log in again and you will receive a one-time password to access your account. Now that you have officially set up your CoinZoom account, you are free to start trading.